credit score, the holy grail of finance, or that evil bitch of a number that literally doesn't allow you to get anything worth value, like a car, a house, or whatnot.
Till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread.
Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? Welcome back to another video. For those of you who are new, I'm a financial advisor and an endurance athlete. And in today's video, we will be talking about, or I'll be sharing with you, a few tips on how you can improve your credit score. Now, why would you want to do that? Well, simply because without a credit score, the bank won't look at you, literally won't even consider looking at you for when you want to buy a car, buy a house, or anything that you want to buy on credit, so that you don't have to pay a large upfront fee, but rather pay it off over a period of time. Yeah, that's why credit score is important. Before we get into today's video, just quickly, for those of you who are interested in getting any sort of financial consultation or financial planning or wealth management of any sort, you can contact me by going to the link in the description to my link tree, which looks like this. And as you can see, you can reach out to me via any of the links in my link tree, whether it's my website, my social medias, etc. But without further ado, let's get right into today's video. So it goes without saying that in order to have a good credit score, in order to build a credit score, you kind of have to have a credit card, right? Like, I don't even know why I'm saying that, but just in case, yeah. The first step would be to get a credit card. If you don't have a credit card, then you should work towards getting a credit card, because without a credit card, you're not getting a good credit score, and then you aren't going to be able to buy a house or a car or invest in real estate, etc., etc., etc. But for those of you who do have a credit card, here is a few simple tips on how to improve it. So, as an overall rule, when it comes to credit cards, you should take the credit card payments and have it as an automated payment. So from your main account, make it that automated payments go into your credit card monthly every time you receive a salary. That is just to almost ensure that, just in case you forget to pay the credit card fees or the interest rates or whatever, it's almost there just to, cover your ass. So set up those automatic payments. That is an overall rule. But tip number one is, the more credit accounts / cash accounts that you have, the better. So, most people have a phone contract, some people have a car on a loan, some people have a mortgage payment. Those all contribute to your overall credit score. The more efficiently you pay those, and the more on time you pay those fees, the better your credit score becomes. So the more cash credit accounts you can open, the better. A quick and easy way to do that, actually, for those of you who maybe don't have large credit accounts, is go to your cheaper clothing stores. Like in South Africa, it's Pep and Mr. Price. Yes, I know it's not glorious to shop from there for clothing, but hear me out. Go there and go open a clothing account. And then what you do is buy a few cheap pairs of shirts for a couple $100 or even a few $1,000, but buy them on the clothing account, which is a credit account, and then make sure that every single month comes that monthly payment that you owe Pep or Mr. Price. Make sure that you pay that, because why? It's an credit account. So it shows the bank that you are taking your credit seriously and that you are sticking to your monthly payments. That is one of the simplest ways to ensure slow but still relatively good credit score growth. The second tip that I have is, make sure to do most of your purchases on your credit card. So when you need to go buy your groceries, or you go out for entertainment, or you grab some lunch with your friends, or in my case, you buy a new pair of running shoes, purchase it with your credit card. Why is this? Well, if you purchase it with your credit card and comes the following month when you get paid the salary and the fees for the credit card come up, and you have set automatic payments, and the bank sees that you are spending on your credit card, but you're topping off exactly what you spent, then they realize, so he's being responsible with his credit, and so they push your credit score upwards, which, again, that's what you want, right? So tip number 3, if you aren't necessarily in a position to be able to pay off your entire credit card loan, which obviously that is the best, you spend your credit card loan and then you top it off and then request a higher credit amount and spend that and top it off, etc., etc. If you are in a position where you're able to do that, or just at all pay up that initial loan that the bank gave you, that initial line of credit, then what you can do is, as I'm sure you know, for those of you who have credit cards, you pay an interest fee on any of the money that you haven't yet paid back of that initial credit line. So make sure to every single month, either via automatic payments or the day before, that you have that amount, the interest amount, which is usually between 5 to 10%, ensure that you pay that into the credit card from your main account, whether it's via automatic payments as soon as your salary comes in, or whether you manually do it. But make sure that it's at least a day before so that the bank can see that you are responsible. Basically, it all comes down to showing the bank that you are responsible with the line of credit they gave you, which in turn just increases your credit score and also gives you the option to increase your line of credit. Now, yes, a credit card can be a very dangerous thing if you use it unwisely, because it's almost like a trap, because having free money, a couple $1,000 all of a sudden that you don't have to work for, just imagine that. And that's exactly what happens when you apply for a credit card initially and then you get accepted and you get a credit card. Depending on how big your credit line is, it can go into a couple of thousands, even a couple of tens of thousands of credit line. Having that amount of free money, that's cool and that's easy to spend because you didn't work for it. So overall, just be careful with the credit card, and remember, what the bank really wants to see you do is how responsible you are with the credit line they gave you. And if they see you are responsible, that's all going to work out towards your favor in order to help you purchase a car, purchase a house, invest in real estate, which can just even make you more money. So yeah, the bank really just wants to see that you're responsible with the line of credit. But yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Just a quick reminder again, if you're looking for any sort of financial consultation or financial planning or wealth planning, make sure to go to the link in the description to my link tree where you can get in touch with me, whether it's on my website once again or social media accounts. I would love to sit down with you and have a conversation. And if you are new to the channel and haven't yet done so, please subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up on this video. It really helps up with the channel. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from it, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out, legends. Bye-bye.